In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your TXT records in Cloudflare. This process is essential for managing various domain-related settings, such as email authentication, site verification, and more. So, let's dive right in and make sure you get it right the first time. First, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to domain management on Cloudflare. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the domains you manage. Select the domain you need to modify. This will take you to a dashboard view for that specific domain, where you can handle everything from security settings to DNS configurations. Next, we're going to zero in on the DNS settings. So, navigate over to the DNS tab. Once you're on the DNS records page, you'll see a list of all your existing records. These are essentially instructions for how internet traffic should be handled for your domain. Now, what we're interested in is adding a new record. Look for the Add Record button, typically located above or below your list of existing records, and give it a click. Once you've clicked to add a new record, it's time to fill in the necessary fields. For the type, select TXT from the drop-down menu. TXT records are designed to hold specific readable information that supports a variety of services, such as validation codes or email policies. Next, you'll need to set the name field. Here, you might enter something like @ for your root domain, or a specific identifier like DMARC if you're setting up an email authentication policy. The name essentially specifies the domain or subdomain you're linking the TXT record to. Moving on, you'll input your TXT value in the content field. This is a crucial part because it could be a string of text provided to you by a third-party service, perhaps for verifying domain ownership or configuring email senders. After setting the content, you'll see the TTL, or time to live, setting. Selecting Auto is generally the safest option. This lets Cloudflare manage the timing, ensuring it automatically updates without your intervention. One detail to remember here is the proxy status. For TXT records, this isn't relevant because these records are set to DNS only by default. So you won't need to change anything here, and the orange-gray cloud icon you might see is not applicable. Finally, with all your fields filled out, hit the Save button to create the record. Once saved, your new TXT record will appear in your list of DNS records. And there you have it. A straightforward process that, once mastered, empowers you to enhance and secure your domain capabilities easily. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more informative videos.